and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Kathryn!
It simply can't be business as usual anymore. We all need to feel the social responsibility of being involved in the solution. The exciting thing is we get to choose what we do with that, how we go about doing it, and who we do it with to make that kind of impact. So there really is room for everyone to get involved.
Kathryn Sforcina, Commercial Director from Palo IT.
You see, the thing is, it's going to take far more than the strong army of women that are already beating the drum on this issue to make this global change. It is going to take the good men who are decent, honest, loyal, strong, influential and powerful to stand by us and also beat the drum on why more women need to be included too.
It was an epic panel.